Table function, they are asking us to complete this whole table for this equation. Although this is for 1 mark, but whenever it says hence or otherwise, so means in previous parts we must have done something which can be used directly to solve this question. But suppose if you want to verify your answer and you want to get the values of all these coordinates, so you will press menu button and table menu. Table menu is used whenever you want to generate a table of coordinates, means x value is this and y value is this and so on. So for this you need to press equal in table menu. Now the equation is f of x means y equals x plus 1 over x. So this is x plus 1 over x equal g of x. If you have another equation you want table for that, you can type that equation here, but right now we do not need any other equation. We will just press equal and it will skip that. Now start, we have to start from -2, so I will write -2, and end, it's ending at -0.25, so -0.25, and a step, so you can see that it's -2 and -1.75, so there's a difference of 0.25. So here we have the table. At x value of -2, f of x is -2.5, and x value of 2 means x value of -1.75, we have y value which is -2.321, and so on. So you can fill this table in seconds, or even you can type value of your own choice. Suppose I want to find what will be the value of y when x is 9, so I will press 9 and press equal, so it will give us that when x is 9, y will be 9.11. If I want to check what will be the value of y when x is 1, so I will press 1 and equal, so it will give us that when x is 1, y will be 2, because you can see 1 plus 1 over 1 will become 2.